everyone, welcome back to new video. Today we are going to discuss about one interesting demo practical that is deploying a static website on the AWS S3 service, like how you can deploy and what are the step-by-step guidance you need to follow. Here is my blog. I will be attaching in to the description section. You can go there and you can follow the step by step through. Alright, so let's start with video. Before starting this video, let me show you S3 is nothing but it's a service provided by the AWS cloud, and it's a like where we can store data, where you can transfer the file. Everything is scalable, is a storage in the cloud. So from this you can also deploy your website. Like we have different tools, we have different services in the AWS clouds, like from Lambda, or we can say from using EC2 instances, virtual machines. Like this we have lots of things and lots of services where from you can deploy the websites, and a static website, dynamic website, where you can launch the pages. We have index.html, where we have error.html, and all these things. Like we have Amazon S3 as a storage of this area, where we are going to create the buckets, and I will show you step by step all those things we're gonna require in this configuring this particular part. So let's begin this practical. So alright, first of all, what you need to do, I'm just showing with a guide step by step. You can do this practical demo. This is my demo practical done by me. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section through. And if anyone have not subscribed, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for getting more updates on the regular updates on this. So, and in this guide video we will walk through the process of setting up static websites on the AWS S3 as a bucket. Okay, so what the days are complex, like we have to set up the servers, hosting free services, then attaching RAM, CPU, then scalable units. So whether you are launching a personal blogs or portfolio sites or small business pages, this guide gonna help you out the running in the no time. So first of all, you need to have to create one S3 bucket. Like we have a S3 bucket. Now from you have to just click on the create bucket, and you will redirect to the this certain page. And in that certain page, you have to just write a unique bucket name, which is not used by any of them. Okay, this S3 bucket. Like enter the bucket name and scroll down. Then moving forward, then we have set all defaults value to be set it. We will have to come back and change some things over here. Then click on the bucket name. You have to, like, the bucket has been created, we have to go inside this particular buckets. Now we are into our bucket. Now we have to create some HTML pages like index.html, or you can create error.html. We can create multiple index file. Like we have two dot index files. In this index file, what generally happens, let me quickly show you why we are providing this two particular index files over here. So here, why we are providing this two of the particular index files. So first of all, index file, this gonna have our main page. Like you gonna have certain page like your main index page. Okay, index page you're gonna have, and we are providing with the error if the website doesn't works fine. So if any error is coming, so it will redirect you to the error.html. So it's quite like in the files and folder we are providing with the certain two of this particular file. And index.html, you can just create like hi, hello, and like using the HTML tag. You guys are well known into the HTML tags. So this is a certain syntax.html. And if anyone's not familiar, so let me quickly show you with the index.html demo page. What does the page gonna contains, and what all the, like I'm just talking about the simple doc type welcome to my site, and in the h1 it gonna shows about hi, this is my web page, and something like that. You can just create a index.html page. So as a page we have successfully configured. Now the third thing that comes in there is we need to create a policy generator. Policy generator is just like we have to create public and private. Okay, we have to create a public private bucket, because if we are going with a public, so anyone can access from any around the world. Like if you are sitting into the India and if you want to access this particular website from the Australia or from the any like US or from California, so we have to do the create the bucket into the public world. So we have to attach some policies to it, and we have a policy generator into the S3. Okay, then going to the S3, we under the actions, like this certain page opens, you have to select here as a S3 bucket policy, then just allow, then principal. You have to start principles like we want everything should be there, and we are just attaching as a S3 again. And actions are like get, post, what all the actions you want, but we are just used as a get action. And ARN is nothing but Amazon resource name. Okay, then this policy comes up, this is a certain policy comes up. You can also take the help, or you can just copy also, like this I have provided the JSON file. You can also use this particular file, or you can create your own policy also. I just created my own, but you can use this specific too. Now setting up the static website, go to the properties of your bucket and scroll down to the static website. We have static website. You have to just enable this particular part. Okay, creating an static website, hosting a static website, and just we are just providing this. I was discussing about this two certain parts, like we have index document and another we have error document. So specifying the home or the default pages of the website, and we have index, and for the error document it will return the an error occurs, like whatever we want to have into the error.html file. Then for the testing, just click on the URL, it will open into a new tab. This copy this URL and just paste. Your website has been deployed. This is not going to work because it's been a long for me. Let me try if it certain works. Alright, this things isn't working because no such key, and I have just deleted this bucket. It sometime costs us, that's why. So otherwise if you try, you gonna have your S3 bucket has been dynamically, like website has been done. So in summary, in the following this steps, like considering these additional features, you can easily set up and manage your website on the AWS. It's a cost effective and reliable solution for hosting your websites and while providing flexibility for future updates and expansion. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want certain specific video to be created by me, just comment in the section. I will be looking into that part. And you have not followed me on the GitHub, this is my GitHub account. You can just follow and search on the GitHub by Chandrak, or can just follow me. You will just finding more and more multiple projects over here too, and just follow me on the LinkedIn also if anyone has not followed me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you all, take care, bye bye.